Hello beautiful people, and you're welcome back again to Minister Jenny Alufa's channel. God bless you for being here. Okay, onto this video, I want to quickly share with you this tomato paste that I just made in the house that has really made things very easy for me, and I thought of sharing it with you, my viewers. Alright, what I did was I just picked up tomatoes. I carried tomatoes in the tattache with fresh pepper and onions. I blended everything together. I'm so sorry I don't have the full video because something happened when I was recording and I lost the entire video of the processing. But I'm just going to show you this paste. This paste is good for your pasta, spaghetti, for jollof rice, for your ragu, for any kind of sauce, for your beans, for your stew, for anything at all that needs tomatoes paste for it. And it is very convenient. You just tie it and keep it inside your freezer, and you just use it whenever you want to use it. So if you want to know how I obtained this tomatoes paste, even though all the procedure is not here because, as I said, I lost the video, I'm so sorry about that, but I'm just going to show you for how long I cooked it, as in when I blended it, and later how it became. So follow me as I show you quickly. Right, this is the tomatoes. I've already blended everything after a long time. Like, it took me time to blend everything out smoothly. Okay, so this is it inside the pot already. It's really much, and this pot is big. Let me show you the size of the pot. See, this is the size of the pot. The pot is very big. Okay, and this is the quantity. So I'm just going to on the gas on it and just allow it to steam gradually, and I'll let you know the outcome, as in how it became. This is going to be my paste to make stew. Tomatoes, can you see that? Can you see that? This is after boiling for hours, because I left it to really steam for a long time. Okay, you see where it started from? Say from here. You see it from here. It's actually steamed from here to this place, to tell you the kind of liquid that was in it. Right now my tomatoes is ready to be used to prepare stew, and I'm already here preparing my meat. I'm already boiling my meat. You see that vapor that just came out? I'm already boiling my meat. I want to prepare stew. Okay, delicious stew with this tomatoes. So thank you guys for watching. I'm just going to allow these tomatoes to cool down, and I will just dish it into, share it into little nylon and tie this in the freezer. Then the one I'm going to be using now, I will dish it aside. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if it was useful as well, let me know in the comment section below if there are other ways or other things you would have suggested I had to it, or other ways I would have done it. Okay, just let me know in the comment section below. And if this is your first time of passing through my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to be notified when I upload the video. Don't mind the noise in the background. Like, if you have been working in my compound since morning and I have been finding a way to finish my recording, so I just had to do it because I can't just wait any longer. Alright, thank you all so much, and for my returning subscribers, I love you all. Thank you all for being here, for your support. I love you all. Until I see you on my next video, bye bye.